like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel Livy Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make cute chocolate gift pack. So let's get started. So first we will take a paper and a cute sticker. So let's stick it. Now let's take a scale and yellow color sketch pen and draw a line from both the sides. And now let's color it with magic. So it has been colored. Now let's flip it and take a double-sided tape, or you can use glue also. And stick it like this way. Now from this side, stick it with double-sided tape, so it has been stuck. Now let's put your favorite chocolates. And again stick this. Now let's cut the borders. Like this way. So we have cut one side. Now same way cut above also. And the cute chocolate gift pack is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.